My dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from heights and distances in trigonometry. The question is, a man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the shore to the point immediately beneath the observer with a uniform speed. 6 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the boat to reach the shore. Here, this is the figure. Here, AO is the cliff height, or you can say O is the cliff. Okay, the angle of depression, you know that angle of depression is always equals to angle of elevation. Yes. So this 30 degree angle of depression and angle of depression is always above, and angle of elevation is always on the horizontal below. So this 30 degree is equals to this 30 degree, this angle of elevation, and this is angle of depression. So both are equal. Here this is angle of elevation 60 degree and this is equals to angle of depression 60 degrees. Both are equal. And PQ is the distance, that is x. So now the solution is, let OA be the cliff and P be the initial position of the boat when the angle of depression is 30 degree. After 6 minutes, the boat reaches to Q such that the angle of depression at Q is 60 degree. So here you find P is the initial position of the boat when the angle of depression is 30 degree, and after 6 minutes when it is coming to Q, the angle of depression increases to 60 degree after 6 minutes. That means from P to Q it comes in 6 minutes, and then angle of depression increases from 30, it became 60. So let PQ equals to x meters, and now in triangle POA, tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular by base equals to OA by PO. Since you know tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base P by B. And in triangle QOA, tan 60 degree equals to OA by OQ, that is perpendicular by base. So from triangle POA we find tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3, that is equals to OA by OP. And then by crisscross multiplication we get OA is equals to OP by root 3. This is the first equation. And in triangle QOA, tan 60 degree equals to root 3, and that is equals to OA by OQ. So this implies by crisscross multiplication we get OA is equals to root 3 OQ. And now this OA value already I have got from equation 1, that is OP by root 3. And so we are putting here root 3 OQ equals to OP by root 3. And then by crisscross multiplication we get root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 OQ equals to OP, and this implies OQ equals to OP by 3. And then PQ equals to OP minus OQ. So OP minus, so now OQ value we have just calculated OP by 3 from the equation first, and that is equals to, by finding LCM we get 2 OP by 3. This is the second equation. And let the speed of the boat be s meter per minute. So PQ equals to distance traveled by the boat in 6 minutes. And you know that distance equals to speed into time. Speed is s we have supposed, and time is 6. So 6s meters. So from equation 2, PQ equals to 2 OP by 3. And so here we are putting 2 by 3 OP equals to 6s. So OP is equals to, by crisscross multiplication we get OP equals to 6s into 3 by 2. 2 3 are 6, it is being cancelled, then 3 3 are 9. So 9s, and therefore time taken by the boat to reach at the shore is equals to, time is equals to distance by speed, and distance is OP and speed is s. So OP we have got 9s by s, s cancelled, so 9 minutes is the answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.